I can't breathe. Imagine that being your last words. How many times we finna die from all these bastards? And yeah, I'm young, so I don't really got the best words. Think we making change, next minute we going backwards. Shit, will it get better with time? I don't know, cause it seems like being black is a crime. I can't hide, even home is not a place to be found. Cause every now and then the cops is gonna be coming inside. And to top it all off, military arrives to assist in the tragic act of taking our lives. Now I'm scared to death, I'm thinking will I survive? Cause I see death around the corner checking me with a smile. Shit, when they listen, you gon' turn into villains. Like 6,000 tweets is not enough, these niggas tripping. We're trying to make this world a better place for all our children, but you niggas is acting like some narcissistic bitches. How does the law turn into the opposition? Politicians sitting, steady keeping their distance, and we the ones exposed to the crazy world we live in. It's reality, shit ain't no science fiction. I'm tired, I don't wanna see no more. Don't wanna see a black man pressurized on the floor. I know life is short, that's because y'all taking them all. Don't wanna see some nasty videos on IG Explore. I mean, let's sign a fucking treaty for this goddamn war. If we in trouble, then who the fuck we supposed to call? The law protectors are the ones who be breaking the law, and I don't think they doing anything wrong. That's the sad part. So, brothers and sisters that we lost, you may not be here, but you're forever in our hearts. We always gonna fight for your justice no matter what. As a rapper, I'm obligated to do it through my heart. Rest in peace. We should be on our knees, pray to God, tell him please don't let the cases increase. Less killings, more peace on our streets. I think that's what they call living in perfect harmony. Cause black lives matter, they always will. And we gon' keep fighting, we always will. And me, I'm just a 16-year-old kid, and I don't know what I'm doing rapping about shit this big, but I'ma speak up till everybody got their feet up. We need up, motherfucking responsibility up to lead us in the path of us finding freedom. Cause need up, shit stop so we getting mean up. If it's too much for you to swallow, then make a change, give us a better tomorrow. Cause my soul is hurting, my patience is getting shallow, and I don't really wanna be living in sorrow.